Crispy mushrooms in spicy sauce with garlic punch, a restaurant-style mushroom snack which you can make easily at home. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, crispy mushrooms coated with spicy sauce. First we'll start with cleaning the mushrooms. Here I'm using 500 grams of fresh button mushrooms. After cleaning the mushrooms, drain the water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and rest it for 1 hour. Salt helps to release water from the mushrooms. Until that, we will prepare our vegetables. First, take small onion and chop very finely. Now take 2 green chilies and chop them finely as well. If you want extra spicy, you can increase the chilies. Now take 7 to 10 garlic cloves. Chop them very finely. Or you can even grate it. You can increase garlic quantity if you love the garlic taste. After 1 hour, take out the mushrooms into another bowl. Look how much water was released from the mushrooms. Now add to the mushrooms 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, take 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of corn flour and give it a mix. Now drop the mushrooms in the flour and coat well. When flour is coated evenly, take out the mushrooms and rest it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drop the mushrooms once again in the flour and coat for second time. This double coating will make thick crispy out layer for the mushrooms. Now take enough oil in frying pan. When oil heats up, drop the mushrooms and fry in medium flame till mushrooms get golden brown color. Stir occasionally to avoid over frying on one side. When mushrooms get golden brown color, take out from the oil. Now in a frying pan, drop 50 ml of oil. When oil heats up, drop chopped garlic and chilli and fry on medium to high flame. When garlic turning to light brown color, add 1 star anise, 20 grams of cashew nuts. Give it a mix and add chopped onion and fry till onion softens. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute on a medium flame. When onion softens, add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Shezwan sauce or red chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Give it a mix. And add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 50 ml of water. Give it a mix and cook for about 1 minute on a medium flame. After 1 minute, add the fried mushrooms and coat the sauce evenly and take out. Serve hot mushrooms. Here I don't add salt in the sauce, as the salt in the mushrooms will be enough. If you feel salt is less, you can add according to your taste. Very simple recipe. Try once. You will enjoy these mushrooms.